Welcome back, it's Daniela again, and I want to show you another layout created with the December kits. I used the main kit and the Pocket Life kit, bits and pieces from the Embellishment Kit and cardstock, and this pretty triangle tree die, which I want to focus on. So you see, first of all, I cut different triangles from the light blue cardstock, and you see that I have just decided to work with two different shapes. So first of all, I glue the bigger ones together. We have this triangle pattern in the triangle, and I just glue them together, and this way I have something like a little star, and then I can place the other die cut pieces here, so that I have a nice big star in the end, or it's like a snowflake or a little star or a big star, of course. And this way you have a dimensional shape that you can use on your projects. So this is what it looks like in the end, and now I can fix everything and do some embellishing. So I want to place one little snowflake here on top of it. This way I have a 3D element, and this is the big embellishment for my picture taken on a snowy day. And it's like a little snowflake or a crystal piece. I want to combine these two colors here mainly, so light blue and pink, and there will also be some spots of yellow, and this is the first step that I've taken, and now I am doing some layering behind my picture. So I just used a piece of cardstock and then some cards from the Pocket Life kit to have different layers here, and because I am going to have the big dimensional embellishment on the right hand side, I want to have some paper stripes here on the other side. So here we have pieces from the Pocket Life kit and from one of those stitchable cards, and this way the whole page is more balanced, and I can start going through my embellishments now. And I want to pick a lot of snowflakes, and there are some snowflakes in the die cut set that comes in the embellishment kit and one from the main kit. And I'm going for all the pink, blue and yellow snowflakes, and just want to spread them here. I really like this color combination. The pink and blue paper pieces go together so well, and the yellow pieces add some colorful spots. So this is a very nice combination, and I spread the snowflakes here all over my picture, so it is a big cluster and everything is linked somehow. There are no loose elements, and that is something that I do most of the time on all my pages. I like to link all my elements somehow, so that it becomes an entity, and this is what I'm doing here as well. Alright, so you see that you can use this tree dies from the December kits, not just for creating Christmas trees, but also for a lot of other things like I did here. It's a nice star or a nice yeah, snowflake, whatever you want it to be. And yeah, it gives you so many different possibilities. So you might want to check this die set out. There are still some in stock. So if you want to head over to the shop, to the website, don't hesitate. I guess they are going fast. And I like them a lot. You can also use the little triangles that are uh, yeah, that are left from the big pieces for little embellishments, like I did on the layout I created last week. And well, I think there are so many options, so don't miss this one. Okay, so I want to have some paper stripes here on the left hand side. Again, I am going for pink and blue, and I just cut the manufacturer stripe from the cardstock that I used for the die cut pieces. And I also cut a bigger stripe from one of the pattern papers included in the main kit. And here I have cut another word so that I have the title Snow Fun. And yeah, this is a nice little cluster, and the paper stripes also add up to the balanced look, because yeah, the star on the right hand side is quite heavy, and now I have yeah, the paper stripes here on the left hand side, which is a nice thing to have if you have a lot of going on one side of your layout. This way you can, yeah, create a balanced look. I also want to have this cute little penguin, and you see that I added some shiny snowflakes from this sticker set as well. And now I cut out another phrase from one of the Pocket Life cards, and I added here. And in the end, yeah, I'm really happy about my page. Just add some journaling and the date, and yeah, that's about it. I added a few more shiny stickers after finishing my video, as you can see here. And well, I hope you liked my way of using the cutting dies and the kit, and I hope to see you soon again. Thanks so much for watching, and take care. Bye bye.